morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are here once again to provide you a review of the latest smartwatch in the market. Okay, what we have here is one of the latest smartwatch from one of our favorite companies when it comes to wearables, affordable wearables. We have here the No.1 DT36. So we have here simple sporty design No.1 DT36. Okay, so we're going to have a short review of its design and specs of this sporty smartwatch. Okay, so we have here again the No.1 DT36 smartwatch. Okay, so let's check it out. As you can see here, the box, we have a preview of the smartwatch, and we have here the color, some of the features here. Okay, so we have at the back basic parameters, the specs, and the support app for the smartwatch. As you can see here, there's a lot of improvements, okay, these past few years and months with the product of the DT No.1 company. Okay, as you can, I'll show you here, this is the previous packaging of the company. Simple box, simple design, and we have here a much improved packaging. Okay, so there's a lot of improvements. It looks much more premium. Okay, much classic compared to previous product or packaging. Okay, so here we have another smartwatch here from DT No.1, and beautiful packaging for their wearables. Okay, so this time we have here the No.1 DT36. Okay, so let's check out, let's have the unboxing. Again, if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll answer your queries. Okay, so let's see here. So we have here an activity tracking, heart rate, steps, notifications. What are the features here? Calorie, remote camera, Bluetooth call, and Bluetooth music. Okay, so let's remove the cover. Okay, as you can see here, I guess this is the charging cable. Okay, charging cradle. We have the smartwatch. So where's the, okay, let's check the user manual. So we have here the user manual, operation guide. Okay, so the contents of the box are user manual, we have the charging cradle, and we have the smartwatch with the strap attached to it already. Okay, sporty smartwatch. So let's take a look at the design. I guess this one is a zinc alloy, just like other DT No.1 smartwatches. We have a single physical button here. Okay, so brush finish, and on the bottom part we have, okay, this is the power connector, I guess, and I don't know what this sensor here, maybe temperature or ECG sensor. We'll check it out. And on the center here, I think this is the heart rate sensor. Okay, so simple sporty design. It is, the design looks pretty much like the No.1 the Amazfit GTS. So we have here the Amazfit GTS. I will show you. Okay, see, except that the Amazfit GTS do have a glossy body here, much more premium, but they almost have a similar look, especially in the size here. What else? Okay, so it is much thicker compared to the GTS, but so far looking at it, seems like it is similar or the same smartwatch. We're going to take a look at it at a first glance, okay? But we'll see, okay, if the display here is much better or good when it comes to graphics. Okay, so for the specs here, let's see. So No.1 DT36 do have a MTK2502 processor. Okay, we have 1.75 inch display. Let's see if we have the correct specs here. Okay, so 260 mAh battery with a G sensor and a heart rate monitor. What else? Let's see. If you want to see the complete specifications, just check it on our website, smartwatchspecifications.com. Check out the link below. So we have here the processor, Bluetooth 4.2. You have 260 mAh battery with a standby time of about 10 days or more. IP67 waterproof rated. We have G sensor, heart rate monitor, and blood pressure monitor. Okay, so we have Bluetooth calls, speaker, and microphone. We'll see. Are you sure? Let's check. So call and message available in black, silver, and pink with a FanDo support app compatible with Android and iOS. Okay, so that's the specifications of our No.1 DT36. So let's try and check. Okay, does it fit? Okay, so far easy to attach. We have a quick release pin here for the strap. Okay, so far looking good. Again, this is not a glossy finish but a brush finish. So let's remove the sticker here. Nice display. Seems like we have a very slim bezel here. 2.5D glass. Okay, again, let's compare with the No.1 GTS. So it's somewhat pretty similar. Okay, maybe on our next video after a few days, we'll have a comparison of the GTS and the No.1 DT36. Okay, so let's see if this very affordable No.1 36 can compete with the Amazfit GTS smartwatch. For the meantime, let's check. So this is, I guess, the power button. Long press. Let's see. Welcome. Okay, so far the black color is very black. Okay, did you hear that? I think we have a speaker. So let's pick the English language here. And that's it. Okay, very fast setup. The smartwatch already turned on. Slim bezel here. Very bright color. Okay, so that's it. Okay, let's see how do we navigate the smartwatch. So that is your long press again, just like other smartwatches. Long press for the watch faces. Okay, oh, this one is it's pretty good watch face. This one, let's check this one. So we have the stats here. Okay, oh, this one is an analog with the details for the calorie steps and heart rate, and with the graphs here. Very professional looking smartwatch or watch face. Okay, so scrolling from up to down, we have the settings here, the speaker, the battery, and I guess this is the connection here. From left to right, we have the heart rate, and from up to down, phone is connected. Do you want to connect? If you want to connect to your smartphone, From right to left, we have here a variety of apps. Okay, so that's your number 1 DT36. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Okay, so that is our short unboxing and review of the specs and the design of the smartwatch. Again, let's take a look. Very beautiful looking smartwatch from DT number 1. So this is your DT number 1 36. Very sharp color. Okay, very bright. And seems like we have a speaker here and a microphone. Then this is your DT number 1 36 smartwatch. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Bye!